Brad Dwyer played his final game for Wolves against Hull KR on Saturday. Picture by Mike Boden. Wolves players are letting their hair down today in their traditional Mad Monday celebrations. The team, donning some extraordinary fancy dress costumes, have flown out to Dublin as they mark the end of their season. Hooker Brad Dwyer posted a picture of the team in the city's Temple Bar area on his Twitter page. "Yeah, the boys Mad Monday pic.twitter.com/Nima, Brad Dwyer @DwyerBrad." September 25, 2017. Center Ryan Atkins also gave his Twitter followers a preview of his and Matty Blythe's costumes before heading out to the Irish capital. "Thanks for the inspiration @Marlon Wins @Sean Wins myself, and @MattyBlythe88 are enjoying this look more than we actually should. pic.com/WO3RVMNFCV, Ryan Atkins @RARARYAN85. September 25, 2017.